Hello everyone, my name is Mahrooz and in this video I will give you some instructions about the thermal imaging camera. The infrared thermography is a powerful way to see hot or cold spot patterns, reliably measure temperature, and store images for troubleshooting. This will help you to predict problems before they happen. Here I have one thermal imaging camera available. On the back side of the instrument, you can find the infrared imaging sensor in the middle, the LED lightning lamp on the right, and the visible light camera on the left-hand side. On the side of the instrument, you can find the micro USB port where you can extract the images from the instrument to your PC, for example. On the other side of the instrument, you can find the capture key. You can get use of this key to capture the images. This instrument has a roughly big display with some keys underneath. Here is the menu, turn on and turn off button. The other one on the right is the select or enter button, and there are some navigation keys available. To start, I first need to turn on the instrument. To do so, I press and hold the menu button for some seconds. Now you can see the infrared screen from my keyboard, for example. If I press the right navigation key, I can also get the normal or visible photo. If I navigate further to the right, I can get some other photos, and the difference is only the percent of fusion between the visible photo and the infrared photo. But mostly we get use of the infrared image and the normal one. If I go back to the infrared image, you can see different values with different colors. The red one is showing the maximum temperature. The green one is showing the minimum temperature. And the white one is showing the central point temperature of this screen. These values are also written here. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and here is the central point temperature of this screen. For example, in my keyboard, you can see that these parts of the keyboard are very hot, while the other parts are colder. If I navigate to my cup of coffee, you can also see that the bottom of the cup, where the coffee is available, is hotter than the upper part, where there is no coffee there. If I want to take a picture from the cup of coffee, I can only press this capture key. Then it will ask me whether I want to store and save the photo or not. Remember, if you want to say yes, you need to press the menu button. If you want to say no, you need to press the select button. In this case, I want to save the photo. In order to see the photos, I need to go to the main menu and then select the images. I navigate down and then I navigate right, and now I can see the list of the photos I took. I can select the first one, for example. This is the infrared image I took from the cup of coffee with different temperature values and pictures. If you don't like the picture, you can simply delete it by using the up navigation key. Then you can select yes by pressing the menu, and the picture will be deleted. I go back to the infrared screen once more to show you one last thing, and it is about this E emissivity factor, which is set now to 0.95. You can adjust the emissivity factor by going to the menu button and then navigating down to emissivity. If I go right, there I can adjust the emissivity factor, which depends on the object that you're capturing. Correct setting of the value of emissivity is very important to obtain the correct temperature. For example, for semi-matte objects that give out less energy, you can adjust it to 0.85. If you have semi-glossy object, then you can set it to 0.6. And that's it. I hope you enjoy working with this instrument. And of course, don't forget to turn it off when you're finished.